Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today I have my hands on Lexus IS250, and what I am going to show you guys, it works for IS250, is300 and is350. That is from model year 2006 till 2012. So the issue is, let me show you the issue right away. If I turn on the ignition here, it will check, it will have a VSC light, and then it will show me after check system, oil maintenance required soon. So if you have already changed your oil but still this light comes up, so how you can reset this, let me tell you this just now. So the first thing you have to do, as you can see here, it's strip A. You have to change it to odometer. So once it's here, you will close everything again with the start stop button, and then while keeping your hand pushed in with this tachometer, odometer or trip A, B button, you just have to keep it clicked in, and then you will press the start stop button. There it will show you one timer. Let me just show you right away. I have pushed in this button here, and now if I come here and push start stop button, if I can show you with one hand, if you see here, it's already pushed in. You see that blinkers, all 5 are now gone. It has reset. Now I will not be able to see any of that oil maintenance required or any light like that. Let me just switch off everything again and then start the car. The car is now started, and I will have VSC and check engine light, but I will not have the oil maintenance required thing. So this is how you can reset it. If you like the video, you learned something new, let me know, and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends who have Lexus IS250, 300 or IS350 from model 2006 till model 2012. Good luck guys, I will see you in another video. Bye.